Propeller. It's a 12-inch finished block. Here is the diagram, and here is what 4 blocks look like set block to block. There's a lot of movement here. Here are the patches. We have 3 of them. The first is a 5-inch finished half square triangle. We cut 5 7/8 inch squares and cut them in half once diagonally for 2 patches. We only need 1 patch of each of these, each of the accent colors, so you'll have an extra patch left over for these 4. And then you have 4 patches of the background fabric, which means you'll have to cut 2 squares of the background fabric to get your 4 patches. Okay? And patch B is a 2-inch by 3-inch finished rectangle. We'll cut 3.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and we need 4 patches for the background. Patch C is a 2-inch finished square. We'll cut 2.5 inches square, and we need 1 patch of each. The first thing we'll do is use the A patches to make the 4 large half square triangles. Then we're going to use the B and the dark C patches and stitch these little middle units. These go right here. And then we'll just put the block together. This is a very simple block, and it goes together fast because these half square triangles are 5-inch finished. Here are the fabrics I've chosen. There's 4 different accent fabrics in the background, and we have the triangles and the squares in the same colors. Now I'm going to sew the half square triangles and the middle units. Now we have our middle units sewn together and pressed, and we have our half square triangles sewn together and pressed. Let's put the block together. I'm just going to follow the picture on the diagram. And there's our block. What I'm going to do is sew these vertical rows. So I'll sew this side and this side together and press them. Sew the middle together and press that. Then I'll just sew the sides to the middle and the block will be finished. Here's the block, and it's different. Fabrics I used for this are still the Garden Gatherings, and this is the 8th block. I'm going to make 4 more blocks with this collection and then make a little quilt out of it and show you. My plan is to put a little 1/2 inch finished frame around each block and then put a little sashing of one of these background fabrics. Here's the block. Thanks for watching.